combine the topic of straight line graphs, straight line graph equations, with the topic of inequality graphs. So a brief explanation of these straight line graphs. First of all, whenever you draw a straight line graph equation, as long as we're talking about if it's a diagonal that way or that way, so bottom left to top right, or top left to bottom right, it's going to be of the form y equals mx plus c, whereas m and c are numbers. So the example could be y is equal to 3x minus 4. Now, I know that says plus and this is a minus, but that would just be that in this example, c is equal to minus 4. So in this example I've just given. So we're going to try to find what is the value for that. Well, how do we do that? First of all, c, this value here, is going to be the y-intercept. So this equation we've got here is going to be y is equal to something multiplied by x plus something. And the plus something is the y-intercept, and that's -2. So it's plus -2, which can obviously be rewritten as just -2. So y is equal to something times x minus 2. Now this something here is what we call the gradient, and that is how steep the slope that the line is. Okay. Now I can tell you straight away that the value for this is going to be 1. I can see straight off, and the reason why is I'll show you how to do this. You can basically draw. What you do is you draw a triangle, and so for example like this up to this. That's not a very straight line. So, and then we look at how basically this is what they call rise over run. So you look at how much did it rise, and it went from 0 to 3. So the change in y is equal to 3. And from 2 to 5, the change in x is equal to 5. So rise over run, the m, which is the gradient, is equal to, hang on a second, what did I do here? I made a mistake there. 5 minus 2 is 3, not 5. So the gradient is 3 over 3, which is 1. And so we can just cross out that. And so therefore the equation for that line is y is equal to x minus 2. So far so good, right? Now, what we're saying is that it's actually the y is actually going to be anything is going to be below that line all the time. Well, it's not on that line, so it's not actually equal to it. So it's not equal to it, but is it greater or is it less than x minus 2? So the line is x minus 2, and the value that y could be is always below that line, isn't it? It's always below that line. Can you see? If I covered on the other side, we don't want to think about it as left and right because we're looking at a y equation. We want to be looking above and below. And in terms of above and below, it's always below. And so we would say that y is less than x minus 2. And that is the answer for that. Now, if this was a dotted line, then we would write y is less than or equal to x minus 2. But because it's a solid line, it's just y is equal to x minus 2.